In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subpage in Wix. Whether you're designing a website for your business, a personal project, or anything in between, subpages are a fantastic way to organize your content and make your site easier to navigate. With Wix, the process of adding subpages is straightforward and intuitive, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools you need to create and customize subpages like a pro. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Wix account and navigate to the specific website you want to modify. Make sure you're logged into your Wix dashboard, and from there, select the website you're currently working on. This will take you directly into the Wix Editor, where all the magic happens. If you're managing multiple websites, just double-check you've selected the correct one. Now that you're in the Wix Editor, look for the page icon. This is usually located on the left-hand side of the editor interface and represents the structure of your website. Clicking on this will open up a list of all the pages currently on your site. Think of this as your site's blueprint. It's where you can view and manage your existing pages, and of course, add new ones. Next, locate the page where you want to add a subpage. Scroll through the list of pages and decide which one will serve as the parent page for your new subpage. The parent page is essentially the main category under which the subpage will be nested. For example, if you have a parent page called Services, your subpage might be something like Consulting or Web Design that fits under that category. Once you've found the parent page, you'll notice 3 little dots next to its name. Go ahead and click on those dots. This will open up a drop-down menu with a variety of options for managing the page. It's a handy tool for making quick adjustments, and it's where you'll find the option to add a subpage. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Subpage. As soon as you click on it, Wix will create a new subpage nested directly under your parent page. You'll see it appear in the page list, indented slightly to indicate that it's now a subpage. At this point, your subpage is blank and ready for customization. Now, here's the fun part, customizing your subpage. This is where you get to add your personal touch and really make the page your own. You can add text, images, videos, or any other media that fits the purpose of your subpage. For example, if your subpage is about a specific service you offer, you might include a detailed description, high-quality images, and maybe even a testimonial or two. Use the Wix Editor's design tools to adjust layouts, fonts, colors, and other elements to match your site's overall aesthetic. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized a subpage in Wix. By following these steps, you can easily organize your website's content, making it more user-friendly and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.